Hi everyone, this is my second presentation for the Gesture Controlled Product project. So how I went about identifying these concept solutions was that I created and conducted questionnaires and interviews to engage and learn from different individuals and their different experiences that they've encountered from the world that we live in. We looked at different surfaces and interactions that may discuss them before and during the COVID-19 pandemic. From these 6 different objects, surfaces, and systems that were mentioned in my interviews, I decided to take 3 of them, which include trolley handles, card machines, and gym equipment, because these 3 were the ones that had the... So for my first concept solution, I decided to explore this environment of the shopping center. Most trolleys are used in shopping centers where people use them to carry their goods and their foods while they're shopping in malls. 75% of trolleys contain harmful bacteria. Lab tests have revealed this, and these can also link to a wide range of illnesses, including salmonella, pneumonia, and STIs. So with this concept, I decided to develop a product that would avoid the transfer of bacteria from different individuals. This is a concept where infections and bacteria can be controlled and minimized through a proximity control device, where the user will then use their hands to motion for the liquid sanitizer to then spray on the handle, and then once that's done, they can then push the trolley and go about their day. So for this one, I introduced the Arduino motion sensor to activate the spray of the hand sanitizer. My second concept solution is in the environment of gyms, especially in public gyms where many of these handheld equipments and hand weights are usually not ever cleaned, especially because there's so many of them and so many people want to use them and they're in such a high demand. Most public gyms, once they reach their full capacity, they become really hot and humid, allowing for secretions from thousands of perspiring bodies, creating the perfect breeding ground for growth of fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Fungi, bacteria, and viruses can survive on floor mats, towels, hand weights, treadmills, and many other gym equipments. I focused on hand weights, such as dumbbells. I decided to use 2 systems in this one where you'll have a rack where you'll put all your dumbbells on. Once you're done using the dumbbell, you'll place it back. Immediately as you place it back, a sensor will go off to let the hand sanitizers know that it's time to sanitize the dumbbell, and then it'll rotate, therefore cleaning. My last concept solution is used in almost every environment. This is used for transactions and payments, and everyone needs to use a card machine. My participants have identified the card machine as a dirty object that many use for transactions and payments, and this is quite an essential part for our economy. And according to scientific testings, they show that bacteria, which can cause sicknesses from diarrhea to STIs and STDs, can be found on the surfaces of these buttons. Apart from the spread of infections and bacteria on the surface, card machines accumulate so much dirt on the inside where you slot your card in that it can also mess up the card's reading technology on the inside. So this concept is basically using, again, Arduino thermal sensors that will then detect the thermal heat, the heat from your finger, and you don't have to press the button, but you can just hover your finger above the number, and it'll automatically select through the thermal sensors. This product's idea consists of using Arduino heat sensors. When the user tries to place their finger on a number that will be shown digitally, the heat radiating from their finger will then select the digit. The last slide is basically the feedback that I got from my different users, and I got 50% for the trolley handler concept, followed by 38% for the gym equipment, and the cart machine that was rated 12%.